But before we go on to the units and its detailed explanations of various kinds of units, I think I must remind you that the need for unit come from the experimentation that we do in science. And since experimentation needs measurement, and for measurement to happen, you need a defined set of unit system. And this is the reason why units are so critically important for science. The most common systems for base units for length, mass and time. For instance, in CGS system is centimeter, gram and second respectively. In FPS system, they are foot, pound and sound and second respectively. And in MKS system, it is meter, kilogram and second respectively. So these are the three very common systems, but what now we prefer is called as International System of Units, which was adopted in 1971. And the 7 base units used in this system are given on your screen. So for instance, length, the name is meter, symbol is M, and so on is there on the screen. And for instance, amount of substance is represented by mole and symbol is MOL. Besides these 7 fundamental or the base units, there are 2 more units used. One is for the plane angle alpha, which is defined as the arc length upon the radius. And you must be familiar with this conversion where the for instance, if we take half the circle, the arc length will be pi r, and that divided by the r will give you pi radians, and this gives you the conversion that 180 degree is equal to pi radians or 3.14 radians. So this is an important thing for you to remember for plane angles. The other angle that we use is used to measure angle in 3-dimensional space. Is called the solid angle as written on your screen. Solid angle can be visualized as if you are having an ice cream cone. And this ice cream cone, you can say that the surface, on the top surface, if you take this area, which is the surface, the curved area, this one, and this curved area, when divided by the r square, where r is the distance, this distance, gives you the steradians. And you know that this is kind of a cone on a sphere. So this is the area, and when area is equal to r square, that divided by r square means this is 1 steradian. You also know that if you can sum up the entire angle, then on the sphere the entire angle is 4 pi, and therefore it is basically coming from the area which is 4 pi r square, which divided by r square is 4 pi. So which means a closed sphere has solid angle equal to 4 pi. So these are small things which you should always remember for future, because these things will be used in coming chapters.